fast Fourier transform, or FFT for short, is an algorithm used in data analysis and signal processing to break down a vibration or signal into its individual frequencies. To explain this further, we will listen and look at a recording of the musical note A. The waveform tells us the amplitude of the vibration over time. Using the fast Fourier transform, we can translate this waveform into a frequency spectrum to decipher the exact frequency that exists in this recording. The frequency spectrum measures amplitude over a spectrum of frequencies rather than time. We can see that this frequency is holding at about 440 Hz, which, if we're still talking about music, is an A note. If this A note showed up oscillating at a frequency of 400 Hz instead of 440 Hz, we would know that the musical instrument is out of tune and needs to be fixed. Now, you wouldn't use the fast Fourier transform to tune an instrument, but this example is similar to the method used when monitoring machinery vibration. By dissecting signals into their individual frequencies, we can determine if any parts of the machine are malfunctioning. At MadgeTech, we offer FFT calculating data loggers for both vibrational and electrical applications. MadgeTech data loggers such as the SVR101 or the Titan S8 will automatically calculate FFT for you in real time, providing you with exact frequencies to make data analysis a breeze. Let our data loggers do the work for you. For more information on our data loggers using FFT, call or visit us online at MadgeTech.com.